Becoming an entrepreneur is really challenging. It's tiring, it's long hours, it's the whole deal, but it's also extremely rewarding.
You know, it's tempting to go out and try to do everything yourself, and it was in the very beginning, but I realized very, very quickly, coming straight from college, that I had no idea what I was doing.
When we first started prototyping our design, we were melting Ziploc bags in our living room with a soldering iron.
So I knew that at the university there was this ecosystem of things, and I just had an idea that there had to be something similar to that in the real world.
They've really lowered the barriers to entry by providing us with a lot of resources, courses, mentors to allow us to fail fast and learn a lot from our environment.
The community is the most valuable asset that mHub has. We've got 1,200 people here, and I know somebody in this room has solved the problem that other members are facing.
I knew that with mHub I could figure it out here because there was access to so many different kinds of technology, and being very collaborative and open has really helped my business to grow.
I think the true value of mHub is a single source solution, right? Like a one-stop shop.
The most important thing is community, the community building that it does, just having that network of effect.
We are so confident in our ability to do it because of this space. This place gives us that confidence to go to a customer and say, hey, yeah, we're 21, 22 years old, but we know we're going to be able to deliver for you. It's because of this space.
I've been doing this for 5 years. I've seen hundreds of companies come through mHub. I've mentored many of them. I've started my own businesses, and the one thing that I know that they need is access to a community with the resources to power through the journey.